I'm going to show you how to make a variety of different rolled sugar cookies. Besides our open metal cutters, we can also use special cutters that have imprints in them so that when we cut the cookie out, it also has a design on top. For this, you want to make sure that your dough is closer to 1/4 of an inch instead of 1/8 of an inch thick. And the most important thing to remember is to flour those cookie cutters. So if you have a small container with flour in it, this works really well for putting that cookie cutter in there. And make sure you dust off any excess flour. And then you're going to press it into your dough just like you would the other type of cookie cutter. And then it should lift off well without sticking, and we're going to do the same thing that we did with the other cookies, which is to remove the dough from around the edge of it. And if you've properly floured your surface, then you shouldn't have much problem lifting the cookie up off of your surface. And then you can see this one wasn't quite thick enough on all sides, but we've got the imprint from the cookie cutter, which gives it a little bit more decorating. It also gives you some lines to work with for after your cookie is baked, if you want to use icing to further enhance the decoration. So we're going to put this on our cookie sheet and continue on with our cookies.